Put on the epoxy boards and cells. Fasten the front bracket. Make sure to put the cells in the right place. Put on and fasten the PCB boards. New flexible bus bar with an extra hole. Put on the flexible bus bars. One special bus bar is put on the middle. EEL V3 Active Balancer. Fasten the balancer on the front bracket. Fasten the bus bars with 6N.M. Fasten the sampling cable with M3 screws. Connect the balancer to the PCB boards. 1 to 8 cells on the right side, 8-16 cells on the left side. EEL new curved design front panel. EEL 16S200A Bluetooth BMS. Fasten the BMS. Fasten the fuse holder. Bluetooth display screen. Fasten the BMS flexible bus bars. Put on the terminals. Connect the screen to BMS. Connect the BMS wires and switch. Connect the BMS to the batteries. Click the switch button to test. Fasten the top panel. Thanks for watching.